Hey guys, so it's been such a long time, but today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me with a little mini chit chat, with the little makeup tips that I've learned, with a little of a lot of things. I don't really know what it exactly is, but it's a video, right? And you guys should be happy that I'm actually posting. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, or if you want to chit chat with me, or if you just want to talk to me, you should watch this video, and you should also subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, I don't know what's gonna happen, but you probably should. Yeah, I feel like I've kind of perfected my makeup routine to fit my face, and I really like it. Girl, I got your back. I got your back. You guys should comment your favorite product. So I have recently been obsessed with this product. I got it as my birthday gift. This thing is so freaking amazing. I don't really use primer that much anymore. I just make sure my skin prep is really good. Skin prep is really what makes my makeup a lot more, what's the word? A lot more skin-like. Yesterday, my makeup looked absolutely amazing. My favorite thing to do recently has been putting lotion on my face, but also mixing it with the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. I don't really like a lot of bronzing drop. I kind of just use this much. And like even this to me is a lot, but it kind of just gives me some life to my face because sometimes I just look dead. I used to never wear sunscreen, but I noticed after I started wearing sunscreen, my acne scars started to be less red. You guys need to start wearing sunscreen every single day. So now that my skin prep is done, the reason I don't really put primer on, because when I put all this skin prep, my skin kind of is already sticky. The one thing I've learned, I've been watching a lot of makeup videos. Concealer is very cakey. Less is better. Okay, so we're just gonna talk about like how my life has been recently. Girl, I have been at school. I have been so freaking drained, and I'm just like tired of school. Like I don't think you guys understand how tired I am of school. But school has been insanely draining, and I'm just like not here for it. Like I hated this semester. This probably has been the hardest semester of my life. It was so hard. It was so overwhelming. My classes were super hard. I was struggling to post on YouTube, even on TikTok. Like I was literally struggling with it all. I've definitely learned though through all the videos I've been watching recently, your concealer kind of has to be really close to the shade of your makeup. If you guys want to cover your blemishes, make sure you're not picking a concealer that is literally lighter than your face, okay? Because if you do that, then you're literally like pointing out that pimple. But other than school, literally I've not been doing anything at all. Like I've literally been going to school and coming straight home. I feel like that's been making me really sad. I really don't do anything with my life. Like all I do is literally school. I've just like not been like healthy either, and that's been like draining to me as well. So I just have not been working out, and I'm not liking that. Like I'm not happy about that. I'm literally working out because I have a lot of freaking body issues. Literally, like I'm not even kidding. Like my body is like broken in so many ways. My mom keeps making fun of me, and she keeps making jokes like, oh, when you get married, like your husband's gonna have to like sign a freaking liabilities form because like of all the problems you have. Like there's no refunds. Like she was just making fun of me for that. This is how my base looks so far. I do have a pimple patch on, but that's just because like I don't, when I have active pimples, I try not to put makeup on top. This thing is so amazing. This is the Fenty Beauty in shade 6. It's the Eavesdrop. This is my holy grail. Like I'm not trying to encourage bad spending habits. Blush is like another bronzer, okay? So you kind of have to like be careful where you put your blush. You put your blush here, and you kind of just go up. It makes your face look higher. It makes your face look elevated, if that makes sense. So you kind of like go inward. Like I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but on this side my face looks a little bit alive, a little bit higher, but on this side my face doesn't. Am I delusional or am I crazy? So this is with the brush, no blush. I have the TXT concert coming up soon, so I'm very excited about that. I have no idea what I'm wearing. I literally have no idea what I'm freaking wearing, and girl, that gives me anxiety. I don't just like doing stuff last minute. The Taylor Swift concert today, me and my sister want to go to it, but like we don't have the funds for it, and the tickets are literally $800. My sister was saying if we can't go to the concert, what we should do, I'm gonna go outside the venue with our friends and just like listen to the concert from our car. So I feel like there's no real secret to mascara. So I don't know if you can tell, but like look at that contour. I love contour. I've learned when it comes to glitter, this is the best thing ever. You guys have to listen to me. You have to use a fine glitter first and then a hard glitter on top. Literally the other day, I watched a freaking 32 long episode K-drama with 1 hour each episode. I kid you not, I literally did not sleep that night. I was literally up all night. I think I stayed up till 5. I did everything but do what I was supposed to do. And I was gonna watch while I was eating, but my mom was with me and I felt bad, so I was like, let me not be on my iPad. I'm a binge watcher, okay? So I get really addicted to watching. This happens with books too. Like my sister hates it. She always yells at me. She's always like, oh my god, can you stop reading that stupid book? I'm talking to you. Like especially if I'm reading like a webtoon or something that's like really good, I literally don't stop reading until I finish the book. How do the eyes look? If you guys have any like good shows, please comment them below. Like, I'm being so serious. Like, I feel like you guys think I'm kidding when I say that. Please do comment them below. I literally don't think there's been a time where my mascara did not get on my freaking eyelid. That's so crazy. And please ignore this. With the old way I used to do my makeup, I was very focused on my eyebrows. I don't really fill in my eyebrows like that. What I do is I kind of just fill in the ends because I have a lot of empty space in the ends. I also have become obsessed with like brow gel, but that's it. A little blush on my eyelids. Kind of like that eyeshadow look, honestly. But my recent favorite thing to do has been putting brown eyeshadow. Bam. Eyeliner. Damn, that was so quick. This thing is so freaking amazing for nose contouring. I take a little and I put it on my nose, like right here. And just in the center, like you can't really cover your entire nose or it's just gonna make your nose look bigger. Look at that glow. That's insane. So I take some and I put it right here. And then this is where it gets crazy. Look at my eyes. I love it so much. Like, it just literally a small tap does so much. It's just so good. It makes my eyes look so freaking nice. I love it. Lips are so important. Lips can finalize your whole look. I bought this chapstick. It's so freaking nice. Like, look at the freaking like tint on that. I like to line my lip with a peripera lip tint. And like, I learned from like my past mistakes. After that, I use oil just because like I want to moisturize my lips. But this is what makes my lips so much bigger. There's obviously gonna be texture on skin, so don't be too insecure about that. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm gonna post a lot more fun content. Just give me things to post. I want to make a quick video to post because I just haven't posted in such a long time, and I didn't want you guys to forget that I freaking exist. I literally do. Look how good I look. So that's why I made a quick video. Yeah, look how skin-like my makeup looks like. My sister woke up now and I feel like she's gonna come in my room and start yelling at me for being loud because I'm filming at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have nowhere to go. Me, love you, and we together.